Yo guys, Jonathan here. I am freaking excited for tomorrow. Either Google is playing the entire internet and about to reveal potentially what is the greatest tech troll of all time, or they're about to set themselves up for massive failure.
The Pixel can't stop leaking.
We pretty much know everything there is to know about the Pixel 3 as well as the Pixel 3 XL.
We have a very clear image now of this Pixel 3.
You know pretty much everything about it. No matter how hard you try, you literally can't get anything past the internet.
So that clip that just rolled right now was tweeted from an official Google account with the caption, "So you think you know." Tune in tomorrow to find out for yourself. Are you kidding me, Google? If you tug on our heartstrings and set us up like that and don't release the Pixel 3 Ultra, the entire tech community is going to flip the notch out. Now, unless you've been living under a tech rock, the Pixel 3, and more specifically the Pixel 3 XL, has got to be the most leaked smartphone of all time. Like, at this point, it is just silly. John Prosser, the mad lad of Front Page Tech, not to be confused with John Prosner, that guy's kind of a dick, has covered this extensively in chronological order from A to Z. So if you want the entire breakdown, I'll drop a link down below to the Pixel 3 Chronicles. Go and leave a comment with a heart, hashtag JoePro, and tell him TLD sent ya. To give you the Cliff Note version of that though, the leak started all the way back in June, which kind of leads to the question, how has Google been that bad about keeping a product a secret? There's no way they did this on accident. They have to be trolling us. If you've seen the Pixel 3 XL notch, it is probably the ugliest notch of all time. Like, to the point where I'm not even sure the Pixel 3 XL's own mother would like it. Me personally, the tech fan inside, is praying to Korean Jesus that Google's playing us and they're about to bamboozle the entire tech world tomorrow and unveil something cool like the Pixel 3 Ultra with that no-notch, beautiful display. So I'm curious what you guys think. Is Google about to bamboozle us and trick the tech world and drop that Pixel 3 Ultra tomorrow, or are we stuck with the Pixel 3 XL and that notch? You guys can vote with a poll up here or comment down below. Either way, if you're excited and still hoping for that beautiful no-notch display on the Pixel 3 Ultra, let me know by punching that like button in the face, or the notch if you're a Pixel 3 XL. Updates, Pew News. Poppy Harlow is reporting there's a leak today showing the Pixel 3 XL has a 1080p display, which makes me question everything. Maybe Google's going the Apple route a la the iPhone XR, lowering the pixel density, lowering the price, and then like, hey, you want a 1440p display? You want those pixels? Fork out the cash for that Pixel 3 Ultra. Or maybe someone just printed out some notes and some numbers on a paper and a website posted it for them sweet, sweet views. Now, what kind of debunks that whole 1080p Pixel 3 XL leak I just talked about is 2 days ago, Engadget posted a hands-on of a Pixel 3 XL that was sold early in Hong Kong, which is just about as sketchy as that Russian leak earlier this year. And the thing that was super odd and super strange to me is every leak so far that is posted this year, there hasn't been one single photo or camera test leaked out online, which just seems weird. If that was me and I had the Pixel 3, that would be like the first thing I would do. As we know, the Pixel 2 camera is arguably the best in the business, even clearly when it's taken on the iPhone XS. Shout out to everyone that watched that video. If you missed it, the comment section, it's a fun one. Grab your popcorn and check it out. That aside though, this whole thing just has me questioning everything I know, from the Engadget video, the fact that they didn't post photos or samples, back to the Russian leak where it almost looked like they staged this video to look like a YouTube unboxing. The whole thing just screams weird to me. The logical part of me, and honestly every reliable tech source out there, is pretty much saying, don't get your hopes up, we're not gonna see that Pixel 3 Ultra. But that kid in me, that hopefulness part of me, really wants to see Google shake up the world. I think if anything, the tech world is in a place where we need something awesome like that to happen. Either way though, by the time you guys watch this video, the Pixel event is about 12 hours away. So definitely make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, for future coverage on whatever it's gonna be, the Pixel 3, the Pixel 3 XL, and potentially, fingers crossed, that Pixel 3 Ultra. I'm excited. Stay tuned. This is Jonathan, and I will catch you guys later.